Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can set or optimize your Fusion 360 for your computer. So the first thing that you want to do is to navigate through preferences, and before you do this you also have to make sure that your graphics is updated to the latest version. So in here, if you really want to optimize your Fusion 360 for your computer, let's say that you're lagging and such, once again, make sure that your graphics drivers is updated to the latest version. And then you want to close out some background applications in order to allocate more resources onto Fusion 360. And to make things a lot easier, instead of editing this one by one, you could just click on graphics. In here, you want to select the graphics preset from custom to performance. This will then set it to the performance option, and basically from here you could just click apply. And for general, this is extremely up to you if you want to go ahead and make some few adjustments. But for the graphics drivers, you want to select the DirectX 11, and if it did not give you results, you then want to choose the OpenGL Core profile. So you just want to go ahead and switch between these two to see which one works best. And overall, that's going to be it. You could also navigate through the compatibility and troubleshooting. And from here, you want to try to deactivate the high DPI application scaling. For the Qt rendering hardware interface API, select it to automatic. The Chromium backend is going to be auto select. Click apply, and that's basically going to be our very simple short tutorial about optimizing Fusion 360. Of course, this can go a lot longer if we make a few more adjustments onto our presets, onto the canvas, and many more, but that's going to be the fastest one right here. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.